Welcome to Math Made Easy with Frida. Today we are going to simplify this complicated looking equation. So let's get straight into it. Here we have 999 to the power of 999 minus 999 to the power of 998 over 999 to the power of 999. The power of x is equal to 998. What is the value of x? Okay. This is much easier than it looks. There's a simple trick you can work out. So let's just get into it. We have let's look at this value of 999 to the power of 999 first, and look at this number here. All right, there's something we can do here to make it easier. So we have 999 to the power of 999 is actually equal to 998 plus 1. Okay, and that splits up into 999 to the power of 998 into 999 to the power of 1, right? Taking this into consideration. All right, minus 900, and let's put this in a bracket so we don't get confused, 999 to the power of 998 over 999 to the power of 9 to the power is equal to 998. Now you can see here 999 to the power of 8 and this are common. We can factor it out. If you factor it out, we get 999 to the power of 998, and we have 999 left over here minus 1. Okay, and everything comes in as before. Okay, 999 minus 1 is 998. Let's continue. 999 to the power of 998 into 998 over 999 to the power of 999. X is equal to 998. Again, you can see 998 here and here. Let's divide both sides by 998 to get rid of this number. This cancels. This cancels. What are we left with? We're left with 999 to the power of 998 over 999 to the power of 999. X is equal to 1. So basically this can come up here and we will have 999 to the power of 998 is equal to 999 to the power of 999x. Looking at the bases, they're the same. We can just work on the exponents and we get 998 equal to 999x, and voila, x is now equal to 998 over 999. That is your answer. And wasn't that much easier than actually working out the values of 999 to the power of 999? This is a simple trick to work out algebra problems like these. Thank you for watching Math Made Easy with Frida. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, bye.